We've got some fresh new young talent doing some things that I know you haven't heard before.
1, 2, 3, listen.
Welcome to Connect. Our goal here is all about connection. In everything that we're doing, the intention is to get you guys to connect to each other, to get you to connect with us, to get you to connect with other industry professionals and the people that are here as vendors. This is all about meeting people, trading best practices. We have 7 roles that we believe kind of represent the major roles inside of a restoration company. And our goal is for you not only to have content that is tailored for your role, but for you to have networking experiences throughout this entire event so that you can connect together with other people that do the same thing that you do. Yes, you're gonna have good content, but the best content is in this room. It's on this side of the stage. I really appreciate your time so far. Enjoy the rest of the event.
All right, hit it.